going to read the news about Tangmo. Specialists from 3 hospitals invited to new Tangmo Autopsy. The Justice Ministry invited experienced doctors from 3 of the hospitals to committee to handle the second autopsy of actress Patrida Tangmo Pacharaviraporn, and also as Dr. Kunying Porntip Rojanasunan to observe the examination on as the late actress's relatives suspect a burn on her chest. Thanakrit Jit Arya, secretary to the Justice Minister, said the ministry received a written request for the second autopsy from the lawyer of Tangmo's mother and the Institute for Snake Medicine, which was responsible for the autopsy, would set up a committee to handle the repeated examination. Mr. Thanakrit said the committee would comprise experienced doctors from Ramatibodi, Churarongkorn, and Thammasat hospitals and doctors of the Institute of Forensic Medicine. Besides, the ministry invited Dr. Kunying Porntip, who was the former Director General of the Central Institute of Forensic Science, to observe the new autopsy. The lawyer, Krishna Sibun Pimsway, sought the new autopsy suspecting a burn near the chest of Tangmo. In addition, alleged injuries on her face, teeth. The new examination could clear all doubts in 2 weeks, Mr. Thanakrit said. Thank you. News from MCOT.net. Bye bye everyone.